Hello guys, what's up? So today we are going to start our previous half session. In the previous session you know that we have done this 7 segment connection with Arduino and IR sensor. Today before going to the coding part you should know some basic thing about the 7 segment before coding it. A 7 segment is a miniature group of the LED light which is used to display some of the alphabets and then numbers. Like you can display all the number between 0 to 9 and some of the alphabets such as B, C and D. Okay, and including this there are 8 LEDs in total. Okay, and all the 8 LEDs are named in alphabetical order: A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And you should know that there are 8 outputs, 8 output pins, and each of the 8 output pins are to be responsible for giving power to the 8 LEDs. The A LED is to be powered by this pin, B is to be powered by this thing. Okay, like that, and it is not in alphabetically order. Okay, you should know that. And this is a dot pin. Here dot is to be represented. So dot pin is this. So it is in semi order. Semi order is, it means A and B are here but C is here. D, E, F, G. It is in half in order, it is half in not order. Okay, it is somewhat like that. Then you should know, like, it is whether it is common cathode, it's for common anode. It can be both, and do not double power it. Like for some people do like that they power generally from here to and here to it literally short circuit and that all. And always use resistor before to protect your 7 segment. Each of the LED light is 1.5 voltage. Okay, and Arduino's power is 5 voltage. So if you're going to make one, you need 3 voltage, and the input is 5 voltage lead to the it can be a fuse of your LED, and any of the thing can be possible. So you should be take care about doing these things. Like 7 segment LEDs are so delicate, so you should use a resistor. Okay, as and when M block, the best software for coding for the beginner. You go to event, choose when Arduino starts up, then go to follower block, like control, go to follower, go to variable. There should be need of two variable. First IR, like variable can be been done in any of the name. Instead of count I can write h, but for your acknowledgement the proper name you should write. Now set set IR, like do IR to read digital pin, like to which digital pin you have added. Like I have had like I have connected it with the digital pin 2, so I will write digital pin 2. Then there will be the need of the if then block. If it is, so what will be the result after it? So you should go to the variable, to the IR, and here should be 1. Now in some time the IR sensor is opposite. It means what I'm saying, that there are two states of binary language, 1 and 0. 0 represent the off state and 1 represent the on state. But sometimes the IR sensors do the vice versa of it. 1 represent the on off state and 0 represent the on state. So if your IR sensor is working oppositely, do not worry. Just change IR is equal to 1 is equal to 0 and IR is equal to 0 to 1. nothing more than this. Then go to change count by 1. If IR is equal to 1, it means IR is giving you power. You should change the count by 1 and wait for 1 sec. Wait for 1 second. Like wait for 1 second. Like do not continuously blow up the LED light. Do not continuously show 1. You should show 1 for 1 second like this. Then once more choose if block. Go here. If the variable is equal to count is equal to 1, go to variable, choose count, and if the count is equal to 0, what should be what is the need of the 7th segment? The 7th segment should be on. So there should be need of 8 7th segment. Okay. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Done. Now you should write all the pin digital pin to which you have connected your 7th segment. Like we have in our coding part we have connected to the pin number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the 10th pin. Sometime like you should know A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and 1 is for dot pin. Now for showing 0, which pin should be off? For displaying 0, the G pin should be off. And we go to your photo, the G pin is this pin, okay? It means we have connected in a sequential manner. Okay, let me show you. Tinker Karha. So G pin is this pin. This pin is connected to the digital pin on 9. Okay, see this. Uh, okay, it is connected this pin. So this pin is connected to the digital pin 6. No, digital pin 6. So you should do like this should be low. Like if you want to display 0, what is the need of displaying 0? This okay, this and the middle one should be off. So same way it should be off, this all should be on. So this should the power isn't to be provided to the GDJ pin 6. This thing you should know. Now all the code now all the coding from here is same. What do I mean like that? Here is count 0 for the next one, duplicate it, and here should be count 1, and I this B and C pin should be on. This pin should be on. This is the only way you should code this. You should be very concentrated by coding the 7th segment. And there's nothing. Okay, this is a coding. Okay, so thank you for like if you want the Arduino, Python programming, you can just go here. Like the Python programming is also so easy. Just the thing that you want is that if you should know the first two step, then it is so easy. So thank you for watching our video. Do all from 0 to 9, do all the thing and upload a code to your Arduino, and connect all the connection. And thank you for watching our video. Like and